Alright, good morning class. Today we're going to be learning about how to distinguish different triangles based on their sides and angles. And as you can see here, our goal is to classify triangles by their sides and their angles and being able to distinguish and be able to classify them by their categories. So I'll first begin by drawing three different types of triangles here. So we're going to first begin with an equilateral triangle. Could you repeat that with me?
Equilateral triangle.
Okay, and so an equilateral triangle has three sides that are the same length. So 1, 2, 3. So this is an equilateral triangle. Now, next up is an isosceles triangle. Could you repeat that with me?
Isosceles triangle.
Now, an isosceles triangle has two sides that are the same length, and then it has one side that is a different length than that. That's an isosceles triangle. And now we have the scalene triangle. Repeat that with me.
The scalene triangle.
Now, this one has three different sides that are three different lengths. As you can see, this one's pretty short, this one's quite long, and then this one is the longest side right here. Do that, and this can show that each of these sides is a different length. So that is classifying triangles by their sides. And now we're going to be classifying them by their angles. So let me begin that. Let's see. Now we will first begin with the right triangle. Now, what makes this a right triangle? Well, one of the angles is 90 degrees, meaning it is perpendicular right here on these two sides here. These other two angles are 45 degrees. So could you repeat with me? What kind of triangle is this?
Right triangle.
Right triangle. Perfect. All right, the next triangle that we have is an acute triangle. This is where a triangle where all three angles are less than 90 degrees. So right here, each of these angles here is less than 90 degrees. Now what kind of triangle is this?
Acute angle.
Yes.
Acute triangle.
Acute triangle, yes. All right, and then our last triangle here, I want to focus specifically on this angle right here. Now, this angle right here is a little over 90 degrees. This an obtuse triangle has one angle that is over 90 degrees, and then the other two angles are less than that. So what kind of triangle is this?
Obtuse triangle.
Obtuse triangle, yes, perfect. Now, we've learned how triangles can be classified by their sides, meaning how many sides are the same length, as well as classifying by their angles. Now, I'd like us to do this triangle types chant. So I will be saying these lines right here in terms of the different characteristics of a triangle, and you will be repeating to me what type of triangle that is. Okay, so let's begin. Triangle
Types.
Three equal sides.
Equilateral.
Two sides same.
Isosceles.
All sides different.
Scalene.
One right angle.
Right.
All angles small.
Acute.
And one angle wide.
Obtuse.
Nice. All right. Great job, class. And thank you.